Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is our today's topic: what is Wix and how can it grow global e-commerce? If you like my content, kindly like and subscribe my channel so it can help me to upload more and more content for you. So let's start our today's topic. Wix is cloud-based website builder that includes web hosting and design services. It's user-friendly drag and drop tools, and our 500 plus ready-made templates help you build your website without either having specialist skills or hiring a web developer. Wix accelerates the web development process and gives you the creative freedom to build the website you desire. Wix is an ideal website builder for small and medium e-commerce business. It has over 200 million registered users across the world and is available in 17 languages. According to Wix's largest customer base is in the US, 57% followed by UK 6% and Canada 6%. Is Wix the best e-commerce platform? Wix e-commerce is an e-commerce website builder that lets you create a custom online store, sell products and scale your business to the next level. It also an excellent e-commerce platform for small and medium business that's easy to use, customize and relatively affordable. However, whether it's the best e-commerce platform for you will depend largely on your specific business needs. What is Wix pricing? Wix has three standard business plans: Business Basics, Business Unlimited, and Business VIP, with monthly price and per month. Higher trial plans offer more features and storage. Wix merchant experience. Wix invite drag and drop functionality allows merchants to manage all their content, assets, and products on Wix fronted interface. Use Wix ready-made e-commerce templates to customize all of your customers' touch points from store for front to checkout. Wix also publishes a significant amount of help desk content to resolve most of your problems. You can also raise a ticket to request a callback from the support team or for further clarification. Get your report. 8 trends to grow your Wix store sales. Discover the emerging trends in e-commerce that have the potential to expand your market and increase revenue for your Wix store. I customize my Wix site? Wix sites are optimized for mobile, built, maintained, and managed easily through the Wix website. No matter what your experience level is, Wix has an option for creating your site. Wix Editor, the standard drag and drop website builder users can choose from and customize a huge number of templates. Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix ADI creates a trailer made website for users, making it the quickest and easiest way to set up a Wix site. Corvid by Wix. The most technical option for creating a Wix site. Covered is an open development platform for users to code and design their site from scratch. How can I accept payments on Wix? You will need a reliable payment processor to accept cards and other payments from customers in all the countries you do business in. To receive payments, you can use Wix payments, the site's official payment getaway or third party payment processors. Wix payments is Wix in house payments gateway. Most global merchants will be unable to use Wix payments, which only serves the US, Canada, and 12 monthly European countries. Mostly third party payment processes like Rapier allow you to grow sales by accepting credit card and preferred local payment methods or worldwide. Our pre-built Wix payment plugin lets you expand to new markets, streamline operations, and is easy to set up. Rapier sports Wix merchants headquarters in countries including Belgium, Cyprus, Hong Kong, Iceland, Mexico, Norway, Romania, Singapore, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. Power your global e-commerce store with a pre-built Wix payment plugin. Our plugins are built for international business and with local settlement in whatever currency you choose. They are one of the most comprehensive options available. Don't wait, start selling right away. Accept payments worldwide, fast, reliable customer service. Discover how Repier's e-commerce plugin for Wix lets you accept more payment methods, including local and alternative payment methods from all over the globe. That's all about my today's topic. I hope you will like my video and you will like my content, and if you like, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next upcoming content. Till then, see you. Goodbye.